Next, we will look at my electronic setup. Item number 1, we're going to be using the Walkera Devo 6-channel receiver. Part number is RX601. Item number 2, we're going to be using for the main flight pack the GenZace 2200 mAh 25C 4S pack. These come with female Dean's connectors out of the factory. For item number 3, we're going to be using the ZTW Beetle series electronic speed controller. I have equipped these with male Dean's connector, and these are rated at 50 amps, and these can take up from 2S to 6S pack, and they have a internally regulated integrated switching BEC. 5 amps loading and 5 volts. Item number 4, quantity 3 motor wire extension with female 3.5 millimeter bullet connectors. These will be soldered to the corresponding ESC wiring. Item number 5, we're going to be using the Chainsun 50 millimeter 10 blade EDF with 3200 kV in runner. These are rated for 4S only, given the load of the 50 millimeter EDF unit, pitch and blade count. Item number 6, quantity 2 micro servos. These are from the Wings maker. The part number is SV2031. The reason I chose these servos is because demonstrating how to use the mechanical silver mounts that came with the kit. Item number 7, the Venom 300 mAh 30C 2S pack used to source and power the mini external 5 amp DC to DC converter. Item number 8, the 5 amp DC to DC converter step down module is there to serve as a backup in case anything bad happens to the ESC, namely a cold solder or a failure of that module may occur. We will have a way out with the 5 volt external regulator to help us glide back in. We'll still have control over the aircraft even if the ESC fails. This has happened to me many times in the past, so I strongly recommend adopting this topology to all of your aircraft. Let me know if there's any questions. Leave a comment below, and I'll respond to any open questions that I may not be covering in detail.